Hey guys, I want to share something with you. My bathroom here. I made a video not too long ago about how I was so happy that this hole was filled. And they came in a few days ago and now they've totally taken out the ceiling there and take all the paint off of that part. But there's a leak from above, I guess from the toilet above or something, apartment above me. And plumbers came in today, and so this was taken down a couple days ago. So it's like doing it all over again, but I mean, I guess when it's all finished, it's going to be all way better. So, you know, there was that hole that was cut out for such a long time, and they got that fixed, but then, you know, I had the spackled paint up there, and like it started bubbling, and then it was like leaking. And I didn't know if it was like a condensation thing or what, but the maintenance guys came in and they're like, no, it's a leak, and then they had to take it all down. So kind of stinks because I'm probably not going to be taking a shower, you know, like this. So, and who knows how long it'll take to get around to getting it all fixed. Hopefully not long, but you know, I don't know if it'll be fixed this week, maybe next week, but this is crazy because, you know, I made that video about how happy I was that was finally fixed, but there was some issues that didn't get to still, I guess. So anyway, kind of stressful, but it's gonna be better. So God bless, guys.